But are you still on that Sunday cheat day?
That was the point where we started dating.
It's an ego lift. Psycho meets psycho. He was producing. इसने मुझे उसमें कास्ट तो किया नहीं, but
भगवान से डरो.
I freaking make a timetable at home for everything.
But एक चीज तुमने गलत दी. You feel like dancing. डांस तो इंजरी के पहले भी नहीं कर पाती थी मुझे. नहीं.
Who has the more annoying exes?
Wait.
मोए. मैं तो नीचे ही हूँ.
नहीं गए. ये क्या कर रहा है? Did we just have a film announcement?
I was not flirting with her till that point.
Hey.
Baby, don't lie. Don't lie.
Just so you guys know, it is 1 o'clock. साड़ी shoot 1 बजे शुरू होनी थी. I have been sitting in this car for the past 45 minutes, just waiting. प्रधान जी आए जी.
मसल पुल हो गया मेरे से एक्स्ट्रा जिम करने की वजह से.
चलो जी, आज एक और दिन और आज हम चले हैं
आज
एक डबल डेट पर. लागे लाओ बेबी, स्टीयरिंग पकड़ना बहुत जरूरी है.
हाय बेबी, तुम्हारी लाइफ की स्टीयरिंग मैंने पकड़ी है.
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. सवेरे से तुमने इतना कलेश किया हुआ ना. ठीक, आशीष नेहरा ने तुम्हारा नाम रखा है कलेशन.
I thought my name was not Kalishan. I thought he kept my name as Kaleshi.
No, it's Kaleshi, Kaleshan. We between the she and the shan, we have figured it out. तो आज हम चले हैं डबल डेट पर एक और खूबसूरत कपल के साथ, और उसमें से जो लड़का है, you know, I did my first film with him and his papa.
Yeah. We love you, Rakul and Jackie, and we are coming to you right now.
Oh, hi guys.
Hi guys, how are you all?
You're ready? Chalo, let's
Ready? I just want to say that Angad and me kind of got launched together.
And Neha and I are from the same school, actually.
Yeah.
I was just telling him a story of my school.
Check, guys.
Hello, what's up? Yes.
Stay in frame,
Wow.
This is more long than we thought. Nice
How
walk.
are you, my brother?
Very good, brother.
Mr. Jackie Bagnani looking fit and fabulous.
Thank you.
Handsome
I
as
love
ever.
the boys in
Five
pastels.
and five.
Like,
I'm ready
Yeah.
for Faltu 2.
Yes, are you? One second. Yeah, please. Can we hear it once more?
Yeah, I'm ready for Faltu 2.
Nice one.
Did we just, I just want to tell you, one camera on me, did we just have a film announcement?
Yes,
Yeah.
we have had one.
come.
Listen, you guys are looking so
fit.
and
Wait, I'm getting damn inspired.
Is that a careful? Suddenly बिना warm up किए कुछ नहीं करते हैं ये.
तुमने कुछ किया है ऑफ लेट. ये बिल्कुल चेहरा अंदर गया है,
Yes,
बॉडी
he'll
बिल्कुल
tell you,
लीन हुई है.
he'll tell
What is he done?
क्या किया है तुमने, बताओ.
I have come back to my old self.
How strict he is on his diet. मुझे याद है जब हम लोग फालतू शूट कर रहे थे, and when I got to really know him, ये मंडे टू सैटरडे बिल्कुल एक ना जैसे घोड़े के ब्लिंकर्स होते हैं, सिंगल फोकस से चलता था. संडे चीट डे पे ये सब खाता था.
Exactly.
इसके 2 पिज्जा भी आते थे, पास्ता भी आते थे.
Same.
लेकिन संडे को भी ट्रेनिंग करता था.
Sunday अभी नहीं करता है because he gives that one day off.
बट आर यू स्टिल ऑन दैट संडे चीट डे?
Yeah. Both of us.
Sunday cheat day is where we started. That was the point where we started dating.
Yeah, so let's get
Really?
to that. Let's get to the
No,
beginning.
not cheat day. Baby, cheat day we started. So I used to think I am obsessive. I used to feel, and all my friends used to say, you're never going to find anybody. How will you ever find somebody if you're so obsessive? Till I met him and I was like, wow, psycho meets psycho.
Tell us first impressions.
First impression was very different. First impression, I saw him walking on a street in London and I didn't know him, okay? I was shooting for De De Pyar De and some team member just said, Jackie Bagnani. So you know of a person, right,
Yeah.
from the industry. अच्छा ये ऐसे ही चश्मा वश्मा लगा के ट्रेंच पहन के he was just walking by, no hi,
अभी
nothing.
क्या वो कांटे वाला हाई स्पीड लोग, उसमें इसको लगता है कि ये एरोगेंट लड़का जा रहा है. I have not
मुझे-
said a word.
I don't know
I have
him.
not said anything.
ये तो जजमेंटल वाला
नहीं.
बहुत judgmental
ये तो
था,
मतलब
बहुत
अब-
गलत बात. यार मैं
ये होता ना कि कोई बदतमीजी कर रहा हूँ, किसी को चिल्ला रहा
नहीं,
हो और
कुछ
उसको
नहीं,
लगा
बेचारा
कॉन्टेक्स्ट
चल
नहीं
के जा
पता.
रहा था. People who don't know him ना, they don't know the funny side to him. They don't know how he is. Like he's a चलता फिरता cartoon.
या पूरा
Right?
फुल ऑन
So,
एंटरटेन.
Full on entertainment.
I want to see this cartoon.
जैकी के ना दिमाग में जब वो चल रहा होता था गाना बज रहा होता हमेशा.
He was producing, so you know how you just meet everybody. So I'd met him. इसने मुझे उसमें कास्ट तो किया नहीं, but I just met him.
Oh, किसको ले लिया?
हम कास्टिंग हो चुकी
कास्टिंग
थी.
हो चुकी थी.
Bell
ऐसा ये
bottom, वाणी
बोलता
कपूर.
है. ऐसा ये बोलता है.
हाँ.
But मेरे सूत्रों के हिसाब से नहीं हुई थी उस टाइम पर कास्टिंग, तभी तो मैं मिलने गई थी. But anyway.
और तो फिर
Fair point. इस जगह पे भी हम अटक सकते हैं अगर हम
ऐसा ही-
अटकना चाहें.
ऐसा-
हमारे सूत्र गलत थे.
I'd come for his birthday party 2019 just as a friend, stayed for an hour and left.
बट यू नो जैकी, आई जस्ट से अबाउट गर्ल्स ना, जब मैं जैकी को जानता भी नहीं था, जब मैं नया नया मुंबई आया था ना और मैं क्रिकेट खेलता होता था, somebody took me to, they said कि आज ना जैकी बगनानी का बर्थडे, वो एयरपोर्ट के पास तुम्हारी एक पार्टी हुई थी. आई वेंट देयर एंड आई वाज स्टन्ड. जैकी बगनानी वो सोलो डांसिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ द, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट मेमोरी ऑफ जैक. वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म बना हुआ था, उसके ऊपर तुम डांस कर रहे थे एंड इन दैट पार्टी, आई किड यू नॉट, 95% वर गर्ल्स.
बट अभी तो क्या है, द ओनली डेट आई कैन हैव इज
खजूर.
खजूर.
Yeah, now.
Not to you guys.
That's true. Then we met many months later. It was COVID lockdown, and my brother wanted alcohol. It was his birthday, and obviously कुछ तो था नहीं. No shops were open, so I called a friend who connected me with Jackie and said he will have. He doesn't drink, so he'll have at his home. Call him. And I felt very odd. I said, listen, I know of him, but I can't call him for alcohol because I don't drink. So I was feeling very odd because it was my brother's birthday. भाई के लिए चलो ठीक है यार कर लेते हैं. So I called him and it was COVID. So everybody, you want to meet people, right?
Correct.
So we've driven down to his house wearing PPE kits, sanitized the bottle, sanitized the hand. Proper COVID scene. Yeah, that's when we became friends.
No, the thing is
कहते
that
no.
no. My COVID story, I'll tell you. She said it from her point of view, right? Now, like in this building, the neighbors had not moved in, so I was alone in this building.
पूरी बिल्डिंग में तो होगी.
People, it was a new building, so people had not moved in. आप मेरा अगर वीडियो देखोगे ना, आपको genuinely बुरा लगेगा.
Why you were all alone?
All alone. एक तो इट्स अ कॉर्नर प्लॉट, तो अकेला मैं टांग ऐसे लग रहा है,
और
कोई
घर
नहीं
में
है.
कौन था?
कोई नहीं. My parents were in
helps were
London.
there.
My sister was in Latur. Helps 70% of the help,
चले गए.
you know, चले गए थे. I used to talk to the trees. So then when I got to know human interaction होने वाला है,
मैं कंपनी के लिए कुछ नहीं
हाँ,
कर.
कुछ भी कर लूँगा.
So
Yeah,
basically,
yeah.
we have to thank your brother for this.
Actually, yeah. To
Because
some
अगर वो
extent.
ना ऐसी
वो तो क्रेडिट लेता है इस बात का पूरा कि आप तो मिलते ही नहीं अगर मैंने मांगी ना होती.
And but okay, one is मिलते नहीं, but then comes शादी. Who was more reluctant to take the plunge? Like who made up their mind second?
He made up his mind first. He said मुझे मेडिटेशन वगैरह सीखनी है, जो उसने सिर्फ एक बार, और मैंने भी बहुत diligently इसको मतलब Zoom call वगैरह लगा के I'm teaching him, and I think when my eyes were shut he was not meditating. He's never meditated after that
Because he's only looking at you.
I don't know. I think he was just
Ask
this was
him.
all a this
ये
is
मेडिटेशन के नाम पे क्या चल रहा था, जैकी?
yoga
नहीं, उस
सीखना है,
टाइम पे
meditation.
actually I wanted to do meditation. I was not flirting with her till that point.
Hey.
Baby, don't lie. Don't lie. That time you used to openly
बोलो
flirt.
तुम फ्लर्ट कर रहे थे. अरे नहीं कर रहा था उस टाइम.
अरे that was his flirting, yeah.
कि चलो मेडिटेट करते.
Sorry, it's too funny.
Okay, I'm not saying anything now.
No, no,
You can, he'll continue the story.
Right.
No, you
Come on,
continue.
come on.
Punches are too good.
Right.
No, no, you
नहीं.
continue
You are
the
also a funny person.
Also,
story. Yeah, because I know I'm not as funny as him. I'm great. I'm amazing. I'm many other things.
Whenever we
I'm
take a
not funny.
picture, right? I look at the picture and say, "Baby, तुम भी अच्छी लग रही हो."
देखा ऐसे भी होता है.
I think dating time में ज्यादा होती थी. मैं सोच
3 साल के डेटिंग में 2 बार लड़ाई हुई है.
क्या लड़ाई हुई है तो कुछ भी
मैं
नहीं.
तभी तो याद कर रही हूँ ना कि याद नहीं, but
yeah, what is this
Yeah, exactly.
back injury that I've been hearing
This
about?
deadlift
It's a
has really
year.
like, you know, been
Somebody
quite a pain.
dead me.
Yeah,
but
but-
last time you met me, I could not sit like this. Remember
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the flight?
on the flight.
Yes. So at least now I'm much better, but it's
What
one
was
deadlift.
it? Warn us so that
Yeah.
other people don't do it.
People should not do it. This is like I'm telling you, no matter what your trainer tells you, deadlift is the worst exercise
Yeah.
to do
The
to your
risk to
body.
reward is
I told you this. Remember when I met you? I don't know.
Somewhere you met me that time,
Yeah.
I was okay, but वही ना सब
And
बेवकूफी
मैंने
करते हैं.
बोल दिया था उस टाइम की डेडलिफ्ट की जरूरत ही
जब तक हम लोग उठा रहे हैं तब तक आप
हाँ,
फिट
चल
हो तो
रहा है.
आपको इट्स एन ईगो लिफ्ट.
नहीं. It is an ego
So
lift.
I did an 80 kg deadlift without a safety belt. I don't know what I was thinking. And I've always done that weight with the belt. So just on that one day, the belt wasn't there, and I was like, "Chalo, theek hai, kar lete hain." And it just came on my disc, you know. And then I was bedridden for almost about. I started walking in 40 days. It took me 40 days to get out of the bed
Oh my
on my
God.
own. I was a vegetable. I didn't know I couldn't turn aside. I couldn't use the washroom. I just didn't know when I will get up.
And how many years ago was this?
1 year.
और आपकी क्या contribution थी
नहीं,
इनकी
नहीं।
rehab में?
First, she did what she wanted to do, and I was trying to tell her, baby, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे कर लो, तो it'll give some relief. Finally, now she's doing everything I've been saying. Baby, भगवान से डरो.
Yeah. No, but I'll tell you,
Such बोलो.
on a serious note, the contribution that I want to say is that, you know, for everyone who's watching this, it's very important because a physical injury is not just a physical injury, it's a mental mess up. Like you go into absolute turmoils because you suddenly feel like it's not me. You know, I'm not happy about anything. I'm not feeling like, because imagine if you have to go out or you have to go on a holiday and every time you're only like, okay, I can only sit for so long and I can only walk for so long, and you're not being able to do things, or you're not being able to dance with your partner. You can't turn to his side and joke. Like, there are small things, right? And it really triggers you. And I think what's very, very important is that your partner gives you that support at that point. And I think that was his biggest contribution. Like, there were days that I would just start crying, and instead of saying what's happening, या ठीक है ना, हो जाओगी ठीक, क्या है, he never said that. He said आज रोने का मन कर रहा है, चलो दोनों रोते हैं साथ में. You know, that's a win.
But एक चीज तुमने गलत बोली.
क्या?
You feel like dancing. तो डांस तो इंजरी के पहले भी नहीं कर पाती थी मेरे साथ.
Just because he's a better dancer.
No, he's too fast on his feet.
नहीं करना मुझे.
नहीं पकड़े, हाँ,
मुझे
कैसे
करना ही
करें?
नहीं उतना fast.
जैको टेल मी.
हम पंजाबी ये करेंगे, कूदेंगे, ये
उसमें
ऐसे
एक बीट में ना 10 पकड़ दो.
Oh God, what are you doing? Wait, can I see this? I've not seen it.
पॉप लॉक सब कर लेता है. हाँ, अभी पकड़ लो इसको. कहाँ पकड़ोगे?
Oh,
कहाँ?
sorry.
नहीं पकड़
You can do
पाओगे.
this. Boom, pop.
Maybe तुम ऐसे. No, she spoke so well on her fitness journey. I want to know Jackie's. I'll tell you why. Because, you know, he's been in training for what, 20 साल more?
18-20 years.
हाँ, हो गए ना इतने साल. What motivates you every single day to get up and go through your routine?
You know, I used to be 150 kgs.
Exactly my point.
Right? I was 150 kgs.
150.
And I've lost 75 kgs back in the day. That fear of never going back to that place keeps me on my toes.
But when you were 150, Jacko, what one fine day, how did you decide कि नहीं
Oh,
मुझे ऐसा
that's a
नहीं?
lovely story.
That's a very interesting story actually. There was a film which was being made with Akshay sir called, I think, Khiladi Ka Khiladi or something. There was this Yokozuna,
WWF.
WWF का that, and there was this whole chatter amongst producers that अरे वो फलाने प्रोड्यूसर ने रामसे जी ने बहुत पैसा खर्चा करके उनको बुलाया है कनाडा से, और उसमें उनको 3 इकोनॉमी क्लास की टिकट बुक करनी पड़ी, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बैक इन द डे it's the filmmaking used to not be at the scale which is now. So that little overweight uncle is hearing this, and then he tells my dad and says, अरे आप बनाओगे तो आपको तो बाहर से मंगाने की जरूरत नहीं, आपको तो घर पे योकोजुना. That was like, boss, अब हो गया.
Just that one statement changed it all. for
No,
you?
that was the tin opener. There were multiple things, like I was assisting. My father asked me, what do you want to do? I said, I want to be an actor. So he said, I can't launch you in this state. So there were multiple things, and I was, when you're growing up also, you're butt of all jokes. That
This is
kid, of
bullying
course.
only.
Yeah.
This is bullying.
Yeah, bullying. So of course, when you're overweight, you know, in this country, when you're too dark or you're overweight. For example, if someone's laughing there, you feel कि मेरे ऊपर तो नहीं हंस रहा. जबकि that person must be not even aware about that I'm sitting here. So जो हो रहा है वो तो बुरा लग ही रहा है, जो नहीं हो रहा है उसमें भी बुरा लग रहा है.
Wow.
Yeah, this nimbu pani you have to try.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is so special ये नींबू पानी के बारे में, ये रेसिपी हमें बताइए.
मैं बताती हूँ. ये जो पुदीना है इसके अंदर,
बताइए. Cheers.
हम
Cheers.
अपना
Cheers.
पुदीना
Cheers.
मैं बीच
घर पे
में
उगता है.
घर पे ही उगाते हैं.
Oh.
Actually, lot of vegetables.
We actually have a kitchen garden, small kitchen garden, तो उसमें सारी vegetables grow होती हैं.
You were born to Vashu ji.
Yeah, he was born.
Okay. And
फिर full
Yep.
stop आया.
Vashu ji in such a big producer. ठीक है, seen the highest highs, the lowest lows. Now tell me, you know, I want to clear this myth once for all, so people, you know, understand this. How tough or how easy was it for you? Your journey as an actor, I'm asking.
I'm saying that there are multiple layers to it, right? My personal struggle was a lot, which was your losing weight. That was a big task for me. So I gave it all there. right? And that was the deal between my father and me, that if I look the part, he will cast me. What happens is that when you get the film, because your father is giving you the film, you don't get the credit you should get for it. And,
Yes.
and I went
Yeah.
into this whole कि यार मैंने तो मेहनत करी है, मैंने तो ये ऐसे क्यों लोग बोल रहे हैं, मैंने 75 किलो, आई वेंट इनटू दिस होल ओवर थिंकिंग फॉर दैट. तो वो जो ओवर थिंकिंग वाला प्रॉब्लम है ना, वही मुझे, आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू दैट. बहुत ही जल्दी मुझे समझ में आ गया कि जो बेचारा लड़का मेरठ से आया है, जिसके पास अगले महीने की सैलरी या रेंट देने के लिए नहीं है, वो मेरा पर्सनल स्ट्रगल नहीं समझ पाएगा, राइट? एंड इट इज़ अनफेयर कि मैं उनसे वो एक्सपेक्ट करूं कि मेरे साथ आप सिंपैथाइज करो.
बिकॉज वाशु जी की भी जो शुरुआत है, लोगों को पता नहीं है. आई रियली वांट यू टू टेल पीपल कि वाशु जी ने कहाँ से शुरुआत करी टू बिकम द वाशु भगनानी ऑफ दिस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री.
My father used to sell saris on the footpath. We were 3 years old, my sister and me. She's a year elder to me. When we came to Mumbai, we had no money. So he is always working because he never wants to go back there. वो उन्होंने ही witness किया. I've just heard it in stories because by the time I was born, we were low middle class, but it was not footpath पे साड़ी. I have not seen that. But a person who's experienced that,
His beginnings were there.
so मतलब that कि छुट्टी क्या होता है? छुट्टी, what is the concept of छुट्टी?
Correct, he doesn't have that
And you
much.
cannot, you say कि dad 6 months, 3 months, we worked hard, I think 3 days we need an off. He doesn't understand it.
नहीं, परफॉर्मेंस से हमें आपकी परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पे चाहिए.
Game
Simple
है,
है,
game.
गेम है. You have to answer in one word. Most of the answers are either Rakul or Jackie. हम देखते हैं आप दोनों के कितने कॉमन आंसर.
तो मैं पूछूंगा पहला सवाल. Who said I love you first? दिखाना पड़ेगा आपको.
Jackie.
स्वीट.
Oh wow, how sweet.
किसके पेरेंट्स ज्यादा मुश्किल थे मनाने के लिए? जैकी. नो वन. नोटा.
क्या?
None of the
None
above.
of the above.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Who takes longer to get ready?
Who stole my question?
No, honey.
Yeah.
It's A. The next N.
He takes longer to answer also. Yeah.
अच्छा. Really?
Longer मतलब
Longer only.
नहीं, but
See,
1 hour is
1 hour is like beard trimming. Then he'll do some. He'll remember कि मुझे थोड़ा कला भी अभी करना है, फिर मुझे हेयर कट भी अभी करना है कभी-कभी ऐसा.
Who has the more annoying exes? रकुल ने पूरी स्पीड में लिखते हुए बोर्ड टर्न किया. Well done.
दोनों.
Well done.
कुछ तो अंगद को भी पता है.
Okay, who has all the gossip between the two of you?
मिटाना ही नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
अरे जैको, really?
Yeah, so sometimes I'll be very excited and I'll come and tell him, baby, you know what? I got to know about this. He's like, हाँ, but ये बहुत पुराना है. ये तो मुझे ऐसे why don't you tell me?
प्रोडक्शन से खबर आई जाती है.
हाँ, तो आई जाती है कि कौन किधर क्या हो.
Who has the worst temper out of the two of you?
Temper?
किसका ज्यादा खराब?
If and when. Wow, Jackie,
Really?
you're really in the lead.
Like if he gets irritated, which will be once in 6-7 months or once in a year types, so then he is very like he'll not take your calls. He'll go out of the house. Like he's like that.
Who's more keen to have kids? Sweet रकुल ने फटाफट पेन खोलते हुए फिर अपना नाम लिखा.
नहीं.
Wow. Sweet. Yeah. Guys,
Oh.
there's going to be a problem here.
Ah,
Just saying, guys, that when your children are born and when they're at an age where they can see the clip, हम ये clip उनको दिखाएंगे तो सीधा सारे नंबर मम्मी को जाएंगे because मम्मी को नंबर बहुत कम मिलते हैं for some strange reason. मम्मियाँ सब करती है but सारे नंबर पापा से भी जाते हैं.
Yeah.
Who do you think is more multifaceted?
अब अच्छा नहीं लगता ना मैं अपनी
नहीं. We have to put you in the spot, na? Right?
No, you have to also say.
He's written his own.
I
name.
think
You're a legend. Jackie, you're a talented.
written-
You're a legend.
मल्टीफैसेटेड. मैं एक्टिंग भी कर रहा हूँ, प्रोड्यूस भी कर रहा हूँ,
Dance
रियल
भी.
एस्टेट भी कर रहा हूँ,
Also, so many
Dance भी.
ये
businesses.
सारी चीजें कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ मतलब what do you mean? Excuse me. मैं तेलुगु भी कर रही हूँ, तमिल भी कर रही हूँ. I am appreciating both. हाँ, I speak language. I'm multilingual. I freaking make a timetable at home for everything. Know your entire. You don't remember your meeting at time.
Both.
cute, yeah.
Who will be the first to win a film fair? And this could be as an actor or producer, huh?
Oh,
Oh, wow! You can't show.
You have to write first.
You have to
don't
write.
Guys, ये
Guys,
प्यार
unbelievable.
ये
This is a
प्यार.
love story.
is not a Rakul or Jackie answer. आपको इसमें numbers लिखने हैं. How many pairs of shoes does the other person have? Oh,
You have 100 shoes
100 plus.
plus.
नहीं 100 मतलब क्या पैर को गिन रही है?
नहीं
Maybe you have
नहीं
you have
I
100 plus.
What do you do with
Not
100.
100?
I don't have 100
Maybe
plus.
nonsense. 100
Tell
plus.
us.
He has a मतलब एक कमरे में सिर्फ शूज ही होंगे फिर.
Not bad.
Who takes longer in the washroom? बाल भी बनाने
He's
हैं.
not even denying it.
नहीं
No,
बाल
he
भी
won't deny it because I have to tell him when you're done, please let me know because I can hear the reels inside.
और कुर्सी से याद आया हमें अपनी अगली गेम भी खेलनी है.
हाँ फटाफट खेले.
बिल्कुल हम जल्दी से
Okay,
we are
okay.
moving on to our most favorite part of double date. Okay guys, मेरा ये favorite part है double date का, the challenge. अपना जो है अपनी टीम बनाओ. तो आप किसके साथ जाना चाहेंगे? On most days we would say ladies first, but Jackie, we'll let you go first. Would you like to go with Angad, Rakul, or me?
Angad.
Oh,
yes!
okay.
That's what we wanted.
Okay, really? Did we? Okay, great.
ये ना ये वैसे मैं जस्ट डिस्क्लेमर दे दूं, मुझे नहीं पता है कि ये गेम क्या है. ये इनकी गेम है तो इनको बहुत बड़ा फायदा है.
They are good with games.
Yeah, very.
Game is very simple. One of us will become a chair.
And the other person.
The other person has to just sit. You choose who sits on who.
देखो ये ही मुझे प्रॉब्लम थी. बट
नहीं.
ठीक है चलो.
But ठीक है, अब जैकी और अंगद बन गए हैं पेयर. I will become the chair.
हाँ.
Rakul will sit on me.
आओ.
मेरे हाथ में क्यू कार्ड्स क्यों हैं? मैं बताती हूँ. Because कई चीजें होती हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, हम सब लोग ट्रोल होते हैं सब कुछ. I will keep saying comments. आप लोगों को बस गेस करना है कि ये कमेंट किसके बारे में है. ठीक है, अगर टीम जैकी ने सही गेस किया तो टीम रकुल और नीचे चली जाएगी. अगर टीम रकुल ने सही गेस किया तो टीम जैकी और नीचे जाएगी. हमारा मकसद ये है कि दूसरी टीम को नीचे जमीन पे बिठाना है. इससे
Oh,
Got it?
understood.
Ready?
आप लोग नेहा धूपिया के ऊपर कड़ी नजर रखेंगे क्योंकि ये बहुत अव्वल नंबर की चीटर है और देखो ऑलरेडी इन्होंने अपनी
अरे अंगद.
प्लानिंग शुरू कर दी है.
Alright, chair challenge शुरू होता है अब. Come on अंगद. Okay, first question. Come Pakistan, will you marry me?
हाँ?
ये किसके लिए कमेंट है?
मेरे लिए.
हाँ? हम गए नीचे.
Oh shit.
अच्छा.
Okay.
तो नेहा धूपिया तुम्हारे लिए था ये. अच्छा.
भाई कोई मूवी बना रहे हो तो ले लेना मुझे.
जैकी.
करेक्ट. नीचे जाओ.
क्यों हम तो जीते हैं.
हम जीते ना.
तो हमसे
मैंने
पहले
answer
बोला
किया
था,
था.
छोड़ आगे.
मैंने पहले आंसर किया.
हाँ हम गए नीचे.
नहीं गए.
हाँ गए.
और नीचे.
अरे गए.
पंजाबी आ गए हुए.
Angad.
हाँ.
Oh shit.
हाँ तो
रकुल,
नीचे जाओ.
इतना सोचना होता है.
हाँ.
क्या तुम दोस्ती करोगी?
Wait.
Yes.
मोए.
Next.
इससे ज्यादा लाइक तो मेरे बिहारी दोस्त की रील्स पर आ जाते हैं.
अंगद.
Yes.
रैंडम केस लिया था.
It's so sad that you would say this about Angad Rakul.
But
We
it's
won.
okay. या आगे.
नीचे जाओ. ये लोग नीचे नहीं जा रहे. बस.
No.
नीचे जाओ.
मैं तो नीचे ही हूँ.
जैकी आजा फुल वेट के साथ. ये कमेंट किसके लिए है? एज गोइंग रिवर्स.
तुम्हारे लिए. Me.
The fact that you think that I'm old, Angad, is awful. And
So go down.
Shit. All right. करो योग, रहो निरोग.
Rakul.
No.
जैकी.
Yeah.
Go down. Go down. Neha, go down. Neha,
हार
go
गए,
down.
हार गए,
Neha,
हार
go
गए.
down. We won.
We
No,
won.
we have not won.
Yeah.
We won.
नहीं, guys.
It's okay.
या तुम तो नीचे गिर
I was
गए.
the
We
chair.
won, but-
I was the chair. We start again. आजा रकुल. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for your expert comments, sir. ये किसके लिए है?
मेरे लिए.
गलत.
जाओ
जाओ
नीचे.
नीचे. अंगद के लिए. युवराज सिंह has written and Angad has written you always become pa.
Okay,
तुम
चलो.
क्यों नहीं जवाब दे रहे हो अंगद? किसी
अरे
को
यार
जवाब-
मैं तुम्हारी चीटिंग से हरा.
सरदार क्लिंट सिंह ये किसके लिए है?
मेरे लिए. हाँ.
तो तुम अब नीचे क्यों जा रहे हो? My dad has written that. Okay, अगला comment. आप comment नहीं करते हो बहुत बुरे हो.
रकुल के लिए.
नीचे जाओ. जैकी के लिए. जो अकी आप comment नहीं करते बहुत अच्छे हो कि हमें नीचे जाओ.
गया.
नहीं गए.
हाँ.
ये क्या कर रहा है?
ये ठीक.
All right. I like your toy boy. It's
ये
your-
तुम्हारे लिए.
तुम मेरे टॉय बॉय हो.
था.
ठीक है. था.
अच्छा मेरे को ब्रेक लेनी पड़ेगी.
नहीं. ये देखो. We have won. Close
It
this.
was a break, guys. It was a
It was a
break.
break. It was.
Then have a Kit Kat.
अब आज भी बवाल लगती हो यार.
नेहा तुम्हारे लिए. Yeah, baby.
जट्टी आ गई ओए.
Rakul.
Oh yes. Yes.
ये तो बेचारे
हाँ, ये तो अब तो.
ठीक है. Okay.
मतलब बहुत ही गिरे
You're
हुए
fine.
मतलब.
हाँ और नीचे.
Guys, you did well.
Come on. Yeah, and boys played well. And we are the winners.
अगर आप लोग टैली करोगे तो हमने ज्यादा सही आंसर दिए
और
but
हमने
it's
वैसे
okay.
भी हमारी कुर्सी ज्यादा
सही
अच्छी
बात
थी।
है, टैली की है करोगे तो ये लोग ने ज्यादा सही आंसर दिए, इसलिए ये लोग नीचे गिर गए।
हाँ करेक्ट।
नहीं बिकॉज अंगद हर बार ऊपर से शुरू कर रहा था वापस।
Okay.
एक जमाने में क्रश था ये मेरा।
जैकी
जैकी तो जमाना नहीं है ना अंकल।
तो तुम कौन था क्रश? मैं
तुम-
था
तुम-
किसी
तुम।
का?
हाँ।
अच्छा वाह यार चलो।
And finally,
कोई
of course, it's her choice. Oh, guys, you did well.
well amazing
I just
thank
want to
you
say that राकुल लगती बहुत ही कमसिन कली और बिल्कुल ही नाजुक सी हैं, but full muscular weight काफी अच्छा है।
नहीं बहुत है that's why I was not trying to
No,
put
no,
less
but
on
you
you
were very good, Rakul. You did very
Bless.
well. Jackie,
देखो
जो आप ऑफसेट करके चीट कर रहे थे वो भी बहुत अच्छा था। आपका ये जो स्ट्रैटेजी आपने अपनाई थी, अंगद यू डिड नॉट गो डाउन एट ऑल। नहीं तो
वहाँ तक
नीचे
पहुंचा
तो
दिया
नीचे
तुमने।
नहीं गिरे।
हाँ अरे मैं बहुत गिर गया था नीचे।
अच्छा ठीक है, but anyway guys, I have to say what a fun episode this has been.
Thank you.
Thank you for being on Double Date with us.
thank you it was
Jacob.
so much fun
Respect my brother.
आते जाते ये अगले हफ्ते we'll be back with another episode of Double Date. Till then, like, share, subscribe, and keep coming out on a date with us.
oh okay
Now.
Angad,
Yeah.
here. Angad, here.
Oh, okay.
भूल जाते हैं।